Okay, so we want to do number 21 from 11 to 6. Okay, so we've got the log of v squared minus 9 minus the log of v plus 3 is the log of 7.
So would you just line up with the half and then once you figure that out?
Yeah, so first things first, we should fiddle with the left half to get the v's kind of together, right? So what am I using to get the v's together here? Yeah, I'm using a log rule that turns a difference of logs into log of a division, right? So this is my log rule. And I get out of that what?
V squared minus 9 over v plus 3.
What'd you lose? No?
The little ln.
Yeah, we need log of this stuff, right? And where'd the subtraction go?
The division.
Yeah, this subtraction bar turned into this division bar, right? Okay, and this is, what did I do to the other side? Nothing. Okay, so then, now I've got log of v squared minus 9 over v plus 3, and that's equal to log of 7. What do I do now? Yeah, put everything above an e, right? I want to undo the logarithms, right? So the base on these logs is e. So I put everything in the exponent of an e, right? So I'll get, what am I going to end up with on the left? Say that louder, Rebecca. V squared minus 9 over v plus 3. Where'd the e and the log go? They cancel. What do I get on the other side? 7.
Is it okay if we don't do the rating part and we just cancel it out? Or do you want us to do that step?
I'd like to see that you somehow thought about doing this. If you want to just write this arrow off in the margin and tell me what the base was,
Okay.
I'm okay with that.
Cool.
I'm not, the step that I sort of skipped here, I'm okay with you guys skipping that step. If you want to write that step down, go for it. It's not going to hurt you.
Why is it on sometimes when we do this problem, it'll stay like 7, but on other ones, if it was like 1, we change it to 10. Like how do you like differentiate?
Okay, so here I'm doing e to the log of 7. So the e and the log will cancel, I'll just get a 7. If I had a 7 over here, I'd get e to the 7, and then I'd have to figure out what that is.
So if there's like no ln in front of it, then you would, okay.
Yeah, it's a question of whether there's an ln for the e to kind of cancel against or not.
Yeah. Hey now.
Can
You
you
guys
do
cool
it
with that?
with the other forms of the log, or is it just ln?
Yeah, I can do this with the other forms of the log, but what I'm raising to changes. You guys have something you want to...
Sorry.
No worries. Was there a relevant question in there that other people could learn from?
I was talking to her about how you can factor out v squared minus 9 and then we had a revelation and she started saying.
Okay, so, thank you. Tell me more.
Okay, so instead of having to multiply each side by v plus 3, you can see that v squared minus 9 is a difference of squares. And then we get 3 v minus 3 cancel out v plus 3 to get v minus 3 and 7.
Awesome. You guys all see that? Basically, I would have to, right, multiply both sides by v plus 3, and then do some consolidation, and then maybe factor, use the quadratic formula, right? But I could notice that this is the same thing, right? This is me doing difference of squares to the top. I can notice this is v plus 3 times v minus 3 over v plus 3 is 7. And now what? Yeah, now we could cancel the v plus 3's, right? That's a 1z there. So I get v minus 3 is 7. Then what do I do?
You add.
Then we can add 3 to both sides, so we get v is 10. Okay, then what? Yeah, we should plug it in, make sure it works. We need to check, what am I checking?
To make sure it doesn't have 0 on the bottom.
I'm checking for division by 0, but also Yeah, I'm also checking to make sure that I don't take the log of something negative or 0, right? Because that won't work. That's an undoing function, and it doesn't know what to undo with those. So I should go back to the original, and I should say, okay, if I plug 10 in here, what do I get right here?
10b squared times 90, you said 90, right?
91, right? 10 squared minus 9 is 100 minus 9 is 91. Okay, is 91 positive? Yep, so I'm okay with that. And here I get 10 plus 3 is 13. That's not 0 or negative, so I'm good with that one too. So check this guy. Yeah.
So if it doesn't work out that way, then we would multiply v plus 3 times 7, and then,
Yeah, so my alternate thing, if I didn't do the difference of squares, right, is that I would say, okay, this guy will give me v squared minus 9 is 7 times v plus 3. Right, and then I distribute this out, so I'll get v squared minus 9 is 7v plus 21. And then I'll maybe subtract everything to one side, and then I've got a quadratic formula or a factor, complete the square or whatever.
okay.
You guys all see that? One of those won't work. Right, if you get to the end here, there will be 2 answers. You guys see that? One of them will be 10, and the other one's probably something crazy. Cool? Good?